Yeah.
Hey guys, my name is Juliana Bolaño. Welcome to my bedroom. Let me show you a room. My bedroom is a lamp. That is a TV. This is a pillow. Where I sleep. That is my bed. This is my books.